Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Okay, so let's begin to trade. This is USD Swiss. I can see my new trend is an uptrend. Okay, I'm going with buyers because this is a indecision candle, and after that I can see buyers entry. Though at the end there has little rejection, but I think this is a buyer's entry, and next candle is going to made a green candle. So let's see. Okay, sellers are trying again. Okay, so market is not okay. No problem. I am going with sellers. Actually, this is ATM. Okay, but market movement is very faster. Let's see, because after this candle we can't see buyers, and actually there is lot of fluctuations. So uh, that's the reason I have placed here lower option, because now I can see market is trying to uh, make a downtrend here, something like this. You can see market movement. So it's went up and it will go down at least to this level, I think. So let's see. Okay, okay, I'm going with buyers. Okay, so I have placed here higher option because I saw some strong buyers entry in these candles. Though according to that market movement, it can be a red candle up to this level, but I have placed here higher option because I saw a strong buyers entry in this candle. So let's see. Okay, it's going up. If you are new in the channel, I would really appreciate if you subscribe and follow the channel. Please let me know if you want to learn A to Z about candlesticks, how to predict next candlesticks, and all about candlestick psychology. So I think it's winning trade, yes. So let me check other pair. Okay, it's a strong uptrend, but this is a round number, I think. Okay, let me observe these candles. I would really appreciate if you support me by hit the thumbs up buttons and write me how do you feel about the video. Please join me on Telegram channel where I publish updates regularly along with chart analysis. Okay, buyer's entry, but here, okay, this is seller's entry, but this is not a strong sellers, and this is an uptrend, but I want to go with sellers here. Okay, I have placed here higher lower option because I can see market movement in this range. Okay, and it's tried to make uh, this high here, but it failed. You can see strong rejection by the sellers. After that also you can see red candle, again red candle. So I think that market will try to hit this level. So that's the reason I have placed here lower option. Let's see. Okay, so it's also winning trade. please join me on Telegram channel where I publish updates regularly along with chart analysis. This is very strong downtrend. Let me draw a level here. This is a strong sellers levels, and you can see another sellers levels are here. So okay, buyer's entry. But this is not a strong buyer. Sellers are trying because of this rejection, I think. Okay, see, there is gap down. So because in this candle I saw seller's entry, and it that pressure comes into this candle. So I'll go with sellers if I have good entry point here. No, not here. It could be a late entry. Okay, so I missed this trade, I think. No problem. Okay, I'll go with sellers if the candle hold this area. Oh no. Okay, this is a level. This is a buyer's level. They made the entry point at the round number. So this candle can make a bullish candle because of this round numbers, because of this levels, and this is a strong momentum, so I don't want to go with against the momentum. Okay, so this is very strong uptrend. Okay, I'll take a risk here, I think. Okay, I'm going with buyers here because this is a uptrend and this is a buyer's level, though I told I'm going to take a risk here. This is not a sure shot, but most of the time it will made a green candle here. This is a buyer's entry level, candle close at the levels, and this candle is very strong, and this is a breakout. It means this is a levels. Also I can see left side has a strong levels too. So let's see what happened here. Okay, I'm going to lose this trade because it confirms by the sellers. Yes, so please let me know if you want to learn A to Z about candlesticks, how to predict next candlesticks, and all about candlestick psychology. Okay, I'm going with buyers here. Okay, I have lost this trade and it's very big loss. Okay, no problem. Okay, I have placed here higher option because someone thinking this is a rejection by the sellers. This is a rejection by the sellers. Again, rejection and made a red candle. But if you observe, this is a new high, and now minor trend is a uptrend. Next sellers levels are here or here. Okay, so still there is gap, and sellers are entering from these levels. It means sellers are there, and candle close is still at the buyers level. So that I decide to go with buyers. See, big win. Okay, this is a seller's entry levels, you can see. Okay, so let me observe this candle. Okay, very strong. Okay, it's, I think, covering the whole area. So okay, I'm going with buyers here. Oh, it's very good entry point, but still I'm thinking I my trade is, I think, a little risky because I placed trade here because of these buyers. Candle close at the levels with rejections. Okay, but on think buyers entry, sellers made a high, but here again it touched this level and there is no new high and strong sellers entry. So if we consider this movement, there can be a red candle too, but my entry point is quite good, so I'm hoping that I will win this trade. Okay, sorry, net problem. Okay, so it's a big win too. Now uh, if I place trade here, it may be late entry. Okay, this is a round number, it has been broken. I need good pair to trade. Okay, I'm going with sellers. Okay, I have placed here lower option because as we can see that minor trend is a down. Before that market movement was something like this. Okay, but now we can see here that level has been broken and like head and shoulder pattern, and still there is sellers move, and next possible buyers entry levels are here. So from this level we can see buyers entry. So next candle are going to made a red candle. So let's see, but this is OTC, nothing is 100%. Okay, so sellers entry, and this is my last trade. If I win, I will stop trading for today. Okay, so I have on this trade. So thank you so much for watching this video.